Celine Dion's untold journey to an $820 million empire. From a small town in Quebec to the global stage, Celine Dion's rise to fame is nothing short of legendary. But behind the voice that captured the hearts of millions lies a story of risk, resilience, and an $820 million empire. Today, we're diving into the untold journey of how Celine Dion built one of the most extraordinary careers in music history. From humble beginnings. Born on March 30, 1968, in Charlemagne, Quebec, Celine Dion was the youngest of 14 children. Her family wasn't wealthy, but they were rich in music. Even as a child, Celine's passion for singing was undeniable. At just 5 years old, she performed at her brother's wedding, and by 12, she had already caught the attention of music manager René Angelil. A gamble that paid off. Angelil was so moved by her voice that he did something crazy. He refinanced his home to fund her debut album. That's right, he bet it all on a 12-year-old girl with a dream. And that gamble? It paid off in ways no one could have imagined. Breaking into the big leagues. Celine's rise to fame wasn't just local, it was international. Her breakthrough moment came in 1988 when she won the Eurovision Song Contest for Switzerland. But it was her 1990 English-language album Unison that introduced her to the world. My Heart Will Go On, a career-defining moment. Then came Beauty and the Beast in 1992, a duet with Peabo Bryson that won both a Grammy and an Academy Award. But if you think that was the peak, think again. Because just a few years later, Celine would release the song that would define her career and become a global anthem. My Heart Will Go On, the theme song for the 1997 blockbuster Titanic, didn't just win awards, it became a cultural phenomenon. It sold over 50 million records worldwide and catapulted Celine into the stratosphere of music legends. But then, things took a turn. Keep watching to find out what happened next. Taking a break. After reaching the top, Celine made a surprising decision. She stepped back from the spotlight to focus on her family. However, her love for music never waned, and in 2002, she made a triumphant return with the album A New Day Has Come. Beyond the stage, building a business empire. Celine Dion isn't just a singer, she's a savvy businesswoman. With a net worth estimated at $820 million in 2024, she's built an empire that extends far beyond music. From her record-breaking Las Vegas residency, which grossed $500 million, to ventures in artist management, a golf club, restaurants, and a fragrance line, Celine has proven that she's as smart as she is talented. Lavish real estate and a giving heart. Her real estate portfolio is just as impressive. From a water park mansion in Florida to a $10 million Parisian estate, Celine's homes reflect her success and style. And let's not forget her philanthropic efforts, where she's donated millions to causes close to her heart. Personal challenges. Despite the personal tragedies she's faced, including the loss of her husband and brother in 2016, Celine Dion has remained resilient. She's continued to inspire millions, not just with her music, but with her strength and generosity. A legacy that will live on. So, what's next for Celine Dion? Only time will tell. But one thing is certain. Her legacy as a music icon and business powerhouse will continue to inspire generations to come. If you enjoyed this dive into Celine Dion's incredible journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Stay tuned for more captivating stories of the world's most fascinating people.